This is a quick guide on how to use the data export function within the control panel of your NIGP website. When you head to the control panel, you will find data exports in the organization section. Note that for many of you, this will be the chapter section of the control panel. Under admin functions, you will see data export. When we click on that option, you will see all of your data exports organized by category. Depending on what modules you have enabled for your website, you may see more or less options on this screen. When we look at some of these options, for example, in the people section, we will see a number of different exports, each of them given a mild description. When we select one of these options, we can scroll down and we can either fill in additional information for the report, or we can go ahead and hit export. In the case of this export, we can fill in a start and end date, and it'll let us know that the date range applies to the member join date. So in this scenario, we would be exporting our member data, and we can filter by their join date to say we only want information for members between, say, a start date of a year ago and today. I'll go ahead and export this report without entering a start or end date, and that will give me all of my member information without leaving anyone out based on this filter. When I hit the export button, you'll see your download begins, and you can click on the download or open it from your device's browser. In this report, you can see all of our members' information that has been exported into a CSV file. All of the data exports will export in a CSV file so that they can easily be opened in programs like Excel or Google Sheets or Apple's Numbers program. Returning to our data export page, you'll notice when you select certain reports, there might not be any additional filters. For example, our non-member database does not have any join date filters because non-members have not joined the organization. Additionally, in sections like communications, you might find other filters. For example, when we select the report members and non-members in a selected mailing list category, we get the filter to choose which mailing list category we would like to include. Finally, I'd like to point out that ClubExpress plans to add more and more reports to this page, so as this video ages, you might see more and more reports when you visit the page on your website.